I'm now at the front of the High Court where the verdict was just issued. And the verdict said because the three lawmakers-elect refused and neglect to take the oath correctly, so they are now disqualified and they cannot assume office by the time since October the 12th, 2006. That's the day when they should have taken the oath correctly and take office as Hong Kong's new term of lawmakers. The verdict said that according to Article 104 of the Hong Kong Basic Law and according to the interpretation handed down by the by the MPC Standing Committee in November, anyone who is a member elect of the legislature must properly and validly take the legislative oath, both in form and in substance, required by the law before assuming office. And it also explained that by in form and in substance, it means that anyone should take the oath accurately, solemnly, and sincerely. And by accurately means that anyone should take the oath exactly the same form and content as prescribed. Well, that's when we apply that to the four lawmakers, we could see that one of them brought a yellow umbrella to the oath-taking ceremony and refused to take it in a solemn way, but actually conducted in a theoretical performance. And the other two just add some sentence to the oath, and one of them, the female lawmaker-elect, just read out the oath very slowly, 6 seconds for one word, and then it took her 10 minutes to took something that should have taken just half a minute. So that were all forms that just showed no respect to Hong Kong's basic law. And the High Court just issued that the four lawmakers should be disqualified. And today the four lawmakers-elect didn't show up at the High Court, so we don't know whether they will appeal or not. Xiaoyang.
Mao, then, this isn't the first time that this sort of situation has happened in Hong Kong. What's at the heart of the issue here? Could you review the cases for us?
Yes, actually, since the new term of the Legislative Council of Hong Kong took office on October the 12th, 2016, there were plenty of things happened, and we call it an oath-taking saga or storm that has struggled for a few months. First, on the day, two lawmakers-elect, that's the localist lawmakers-elect, they just refused to take the oath, and they made some insulting remarks to the country. Some even said Hong Kong is not China. So that will very seriously harmed some people's feeling in Hong Kong, and there were loud voices for the court to disqualify them. And following that controversy, the MPC Standing Committee issued an interpretation on Article 104 of the Hong Kong Basic Law, which says any form of oath-taking must be solemn and must stick to the content exactly. So after that interpretation, the Court of Appeal decided that the two lawmakers who refused to take the oath should be disqualified, and that case was settled in November last year. And after that, in December, the Hong Kong government challenged the four other lawmakers. That's the lawmakers that was verdicted today. They just ignored the form and also didn't respect the Legislative Council on the same day as the two other lawmakers elected should take their oath. So until today, a total of 6 legislative councillors elect were disqualified according to Hong Kong's Basic Law and also according to the interpretation on Basic Law 104.